Welcome back to The future of driving isn't just electric. It's intelligent, immersive, and completely reimagined. And that vision comes to life in the Peugeot Inception Concept, a bold glimpse into what the next generation of vehicles from Peugeot might look like. This futuristic machine isn't just a concept car. It's a design manifesto, showcasing new technology, new materials, and a completely new way to interact with a car. Today, we're exploring the Peugeot Inception Concept, one of the most exciting previews of the future of mobility. Exterior design, a new design language. The first thing you notice about the Peugeot Inception is its striking design. It looks unlike any current production car. The body is sleek, low, and incredibly aerodynamic, with sharp geometric surfaces that reflect Peugeot's new design philosophy. The vehicle's long wheelbase and short overhangs give it a futuristic, almost spacecraft-like appearance. One of the most distinctive elements is the massive glass area. The entire cabin appears wrapped in a transparent glass canopy, giving the car an incredibly open and light-filled interior. Peugeot calls this advanced glass technology Narama glass, inspired by architectural materials used in modern buildings. At the front, the signature three-claw lighting design creates a bold visual identity. These futuristic LED elements extend across the front fascia, making the vehicle instantly recognizable even from a distance. Overall, the Inception looks less like a traditional car and more like something designed for the next decade. Platform, electric future. Underneath the dramatic design sits an advanced electric platform developed by Stellantis. The Inception is built on the STLA large architecture, which is designed for high-performance electric vehicles with long driving ranges. Thanks to this platform, the concept is expected to deliver around 800 kilometers, roughly 500 miles, of driving range on a single charge. Fast charging technology also plays a key role. Peugeot claims that just 5 minutes of charging could add around 150 kilometers of range. These numbers represent the type of efficiency and convenience manufacturers are aiming for in the next generation of electric vehicles. Performance, electric power. The Inception Concept is powered by dual electric motors that provide all-wheel drive. Combined power output reaches around 680 horsepower, allowing the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. That level of performance puts it firmly into high-performance EV territory. Electric motors deliver instant torque, meaning acceleration feels smooth yet incredibly powerful. Despite its futuristic appearance, the Inception isn't just a design exercise. It's built to demonstrate serious performance capabilities. Interior, the Hypersquare revolution. Step inside the Peugeot Inception, and you immediately realize this isn't a traditional car interior. The most revolutionary feature is the steering system. Peugeot introduces something called the Hypersquare, a rectangular control interface that replaces the traditional steering wheel. This futuristic control unit combines steering, touchscreen controls, and digital interfaces into one compact design. Drivers can operate vehicle functions using simple finger movements and touch-sensitive surfaces integrated into the Hypersquare. It feels more like controlling a high-tech device than driving a conventional car. Autonomous driving mode. Another major feature of the Inception is its ability to support advanced autonomous driving. When autonomous mode is activated, the Hypersquare control system retracts and the cabin transforms into a more relaxed living space. The seats adjust for comfort, displays expand, and the interior lighting shifts to create a lounge-like atmosphere. This flexibility allows the vehicle to switch between driver-focused performance and passenger-focused relaxation. It reflects a future where cars may act as both transportation and personal living spaces. Digital experience. Technology is everywhere inside the Inception. A massive panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, providing immersive digital information for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems. The system uses next-generation software developed in collaboration with Qualcomm, bringing smartphone-level responsiveness and connectivity to the vehicle. Drivers and passengers can customize digital environments, lighting themes, and display layouts to match their preferences. Artificial intelligence also plays a role, learning driver habits and adjusting settings automatically over time. Sustainable materials. The Inception concept also highlights Peugeot's commitment to sustainability. The interior uses recycled fabrics, lightweight materials, and innovative manufacturing techniques to reduce environmental impact. Even the vehicle's lighting and energy systems are designed to maximize efficiency. By combining sustainable materials with electric power, the concept demonstrates how future vehicles can be both luxurious and environmentally responsible. Driving experience, a new era. While the Inception is still a concept, the technologies it introduces suggest a very different driving experience compared to today's vehicles. The combination of instant electric performance, advanced digital interfaces, and autonomous capability creates a flexible driving environment. Drivers can enjoy high-performance driving when they want it, or relax and let the vehicle handle the journey. It's a vision of mobility that blends excitement, technology, and comfort into a single experience. Why it matters. Concept cars often preview the technologies that will appear in production vehicles years later. The Peugeot Inception represents the brand's roadmap toward 2030 and beyond. Features like the Hypersquare steering system, advanced electric platforms, and immersive digital interiors are all part of Peugeot's long-term strategy. While the exact design may evolve, many of these ideas will likely influence future Peugeot models. Final verdict. The Peugeot Inception concept is more than just a futuristic design study. It's a bold vision of what cars might become in the coming decade. With its advanced electric platform, revolutionary steering interface, immersive digital cabin, and sustainable materials, the Inception pushes the boundaries of automotive innovation. It challenges traditional ideas about what a car should look like and how drivers interact with it. If this concept is a glimpse of the future, the next generation of vehicles from Peugeot could be incredibly exciting. Another fascinating aspect of the Inception concept is how it blurs the boundary between technology and mobility. Instead of simply being a machine that moves people from one place to another, it becomes an intelligent digital environment. Thanks for watching the complete video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.